Here I've got iPhone 10 clone, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first open the settings, then find and select General, then scroll down and pick date and time. It's here. And now you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can tap on the first icon and select if this automatic date and time should be network provided or GPS provided, or you can switch it off by tapping on off. And now you can set the date and time manually by yourself, so you can decide what the date and time should be. Then you can also have an automatic time zone, it's network provided, or you can switch it off by tapping on this icon, on this switcher. Let me tap one more time. And then you can select time zone by tapping on select time zone. As you can see, there are plenty of time zones, so you will definitely find something suitable. Maybe this one. And the last option is changing the 24-hour format clock to 12-hour format clock. So just tap on this switcher, on this icon, and from now on the hours will be from 00 to 12, not 24-hour format clock. So that's it. If you would like to go back to default settings, just keep tapping on those icons and then go back to automatic date and time and select network provided or GPS provided if you prefer this option. So that's it, we are back in default settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.